Okay, welcome to Mark's S10 electric conversion 2.0. As you can see, we have redone the entire underneath the car. We added 2 batteries, and the red is all powder coated. I do not have the new radiator yet. There's an all aluminum radiator coming, and we moved all of the high voltage switching that used to be on that red plate on top is now all down underneath here. As you can see, mil-spec connectors. We put the hairball and the controller right next to each other. We have connectors down here for the main battery and for the front batteries, so we can disconnect them if necessary. Everything's all nice and loomed, real nice, pretty. And we added the smaller battery, and this power supply here takes the 144 volt, makes the 12 volt to run the system in the car. This is the little charger. This is actually railroad approved. There's a little picture of a train on this Meanwell power supply. Found it online. And then we took the new grill with the new chrome look. And we spent quite a while doing this. And on the interior, I don't know if the sun will allow this or not, we took out the pod that was on the window, and now all we have is just the 2 gauges here, which has the E-meter and the tach. And down below here, where the ashtray used to be, that's where we put the voltmeter and the temperature gauge for the water-cooled converter. On the instrument panel, the tachometer is now the amp meter, courtesy of a small device that's made in Australia. Speedometer. This gauge here, it used to be the oil pressure, is now the airbag pressure. This one here is the motor temperature. I had a sensor made, a block made that goes on the motor. The voltmeter is still a voltmeter for the 12 volt system. Oh, it's really tough to get in there. And then the fuel gauge hopefully will be the battery. So that's the conversion so far. And we will have more when we get the back struts put in for the airlift and the new little radiator. We'll show that little guy. It was made by a Chinese company in California. So anyway, that's Mark's EV 2.0. There's the wiring inside the bay for the all low voltage, except for the E-meter has a voltage divider in there. Other than that, everything in here is low voltage. Anyway, hope this inspires you to do your own.